Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to vertically align your text on your documents on Microsoft Office Word. The first step that you have to do is to open your Microsoft Office software and follow these simple steps. So here I have my text here. So to align it vertically, all I have is to go to the layout page or to the layout menu in this ribbon here on the layout ribbon, and I will go to the page setup section. Then I will go to the expand symbol here on the corner of this section, and I will click on it. As you can see, it will pop up a page setup window here. We are uh, interested in the layout, so we can align vertically our text in the page. And here in this page section, you will find the vertical alignment. As you can see, my text is vertically or its vertical alignment is on the top. So if I made it on the center, normally the whole text will be centered here in the page, so it become centered. As you can see, it will perfectly go to the center. Let's do another one and go to the page setup here. And if I go to the page vertical alignment as we did previously, and let's click on justified. The justify option is it will separate, or it will propagate the text evenly between spaces, or it will give even spaces between the lines of the text. As you can see, each line or each paragraph has the same spaces between them. Uh, and now let's do the bottom vertical alignment. If we click on the bottom, as previously, it will go all down to the of the page. So this is how you vertical align your text on your Microsoft Office Word document. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.